Okay, I wanted to do a few examples of simplifying radical expressions. All right, radical 50. When you simplify a radical expression, the first thing you want to do is break it up into either perfect square multiples or prime multiples. I know that both 2 and 5 go into 50, so it doesn't really matter what you start with. I like to start with the 2. 2 times 25. And then 25 breaks up into 2 times 5 times 5, which can be thought of as radical 2 times radical 5 times radical 5. And by definition, radicals, when you multiply two radicals that are exactly the same times each other, it eliminates the radical sign. So this becomes radical 2 times 5, which we can then write as 5 root 2. And that's the simplification of that. Sometimes people stop at this point and notice that 25 is a perfect square number and can jump out of the radical as a 5. And then they write 5 root 2 at this step. Both methods end up giving you the same answer. So whatever works for you will work in terms of deciding which method you like. Now, here's another example I'm going to do. 2 rad 18. So again, I take the rad 18 and break it up into primes. So I'm going to keep the 2 outside, and 18 is 2 times 9. So then I break it up again, and it's 2 times 3 times 3. And again, this is going to be 2 radical 3's, so 2 times root 2 times root 3 times root 3, and 2 radicals times each other. That answer becomes a 3. So I take the 3 and I have to put it out front, but there's a 2 already there. So do I get rid of the 2 and just write a 3? Hope you said no. Multiply that 3 times the 2. So it's 2 times 3 root 2. Okay, so another method is to stop right here, and you notice that 9, the square root of 9 is 3, so you can take it out right there, multiply it times that front. 3 times 2 is 6 root 2. Same answer, a little bit of a different method. So good luck on these.